Hi, this is CZ. I'm the engineer manager of application performance group at GitLab. We recently renamed our group from memory to application performance to better reflect the work the team has been doing and also to help set up the vision for the group in the future. Today, I'm going to go over our 15.4 planning. We have a quite packed plan for the coming milestone. So first, we'll continue our investigation for the Puma long-term memory use. In previous releases, we have added abilities to collect more metrics and reports to help us troubleshoot GitLab instance memory issues. In 15.4, we'll continue this effort and plan to work on the following issues. First, we'll add more ability to collect Ruby heap dumps. And the other one will be working on uploading diagnostic reports to GCS. The next topic is about Puma memory killer improvements. We have implemented a watchdog that monitors the Puma workers' heap fragmentation and rolled it out on GitHub.com in 15.3. However, we found out it's been only useful in the API part of our production server fleet. In order to consider it to replace the Puma worker killer completely, we may want to do more research and investigation and probably use other metrics to identify the memory issues in other parts of the production Puma servers. So we'll conduct our investigation and experimentation in 15.4. As we go, we may create more issues to refine the work. The next topic is about investigating and fixing issues when using database load balancing on psychic workers. When using the delay strategy for psychic workers with database load balancing feature, we found there were issues when replica database servers fell behind. We'll address this issue and make sure the operation will fall back using primary database rather than running to failures when replica database is lagging behind or become unavailable. The next topic is about fine-tuning our psychic memory killer. This is part of the effort of optimizing the psychic workers that consume a lot of memory and cause womb kills. Before we are able to optimize the workers that consume a lot of memory, we want to first improve our monitoring and metrics for womb kills and figure out more reliable way to gather the data. We have made a lot of progress in 15.3, and we planned a few issues to continue the work in 15.4. Other than the planned work around the issues above, we also plan to spend some time analyzing the metrics that we collect and create a list of top psychic worker offenders based on those metrics. We hope to optimize the process so that we could send the offending workers to the feature groups who own those workers to continue looking into those issues. The next topic is about creating custom service level indicator for a global search feature. This is a collaboration between the application performance team and the global search team. In the last milestone, we have added the global search searching performance data in the logs, which can be used to determine the service level for the global search feature. In 15.4, we'll continue to finish the measurement of the indexing performance. And based on the indicators that added in the log, We hope we'll be able to set up the targets for the global search feature on GitLab.com and connect it with our GitLab.com error budget framework. The next topic is we'll have work around updating the supported Ruby version to 3.0. As Ruby 2.7 end of life is expected to be March 2023. So the team has been putting a lot of effort into the upgrade. And we have reached the point where we were about to run the Ruby 3 pipeline on our main branch. As we are approaching the Ruby 2.3 end of life, we hope to finish the whole rollout in the next few milestones. In 15.4, we'll continue our work toward the eventual goal of upgrading to the Ruby 3. We'll be more in a role of unblocking other groups and developers to finish their work. You can imagine this work touches many parts of the GitHub feature and instance. With that being said, we expect to work on from the following aspects. First, we'll collaborate and support engineering and productivity team to test the main GitHub branch against Ruby 3. Once we have the pipeline running, we expect the test failures. Our group will help address those potential issues and help to set up a process to distribute the test failures to the owner groups. We'll also make sure to add the Ruby 3 builds for all GitLab libraries. And the next one is collaborate with other engineering groups to refine the rollout plan. Other than all the planned features and the maintenance work, we'll also continue to monitor the high severity and priority issues and address those in time. That's about our 15.4 plan. Thank you for watching.